friends, and happy Friday with me here. We are building a Grinch for Christmas. I know we've spent the last few days working on it, and I'm super excited to have this project with you guys. So in your green folder, you should have this packet. It has your little red quarter sheet, your 2 green slices, your head, and your body. Now, for ease of purpose, you are going to color any which way that you would like. For your Grinch, you have his hands, and then his Christmas jacket, his body, and his Christmas hat. Now, I used watercolor because that was my favorite way to do this. So, here is my 2 pieces, just so that we can show you how to put them together. So, here on the bottom of his head, I will, of course, put my dots. Remember, not a lot of glue, just enough. I do the neck because I want it to hold strong. If you stick it too high up, his head falls down a little bit. So there's his neck, and you'll see most of your Grinch is done. Then you're going to take your 2 leg pieces that you can see right here. Now, I thought my leg was too fat, so I went ahead and I've cut mine in half. It's up to you. And if you want some fat, Grinchy legs, like it originally comes with, or if you want some thin. When you have them, you're gonna put them together top and bottom, and then I need you guys to pay really close attention to this one, so I'm gonna ask my camera to scoot in super close. We're gonna fold back and forth just in little pieces. It's not too much, just back and forth. You're gonna make it look like an accordion. You wanna push it really, really hard so that your folds are very tight. I like to make littler folds because it's going to come out more accordion. If you want bigger folds, you can. That's up to you. But as you see, I'm just folding back and forth on the same piece right here. So we're just going back and forth, all the way. And then I'm gonna stop right here, and I leave it a little loose with like the last fold, because as I pop them out, you'll see my legs are folded. And here at the top is where I'm going to apply my glue to both legs. And I stick it under again, giving as much room as possible underneath for it to hold really, really tight. Last thing you do is take your half sheet of paper, your red, and you're gonna fold it in half. After you fold it in half, you're gonna use it to draw your shoes. So, I'm telling you to fold it in half so that your shoes will come out the same on both sides. So, you're gonna draw, I always do my leg down and give it a little boot because it's Santa's boot. Hunch it back over and then bring it back up the top. So you can make the shoes however you'd like. You will cut these out while it's still folded. If you cut them while they're still folded, you'll end up with 2 of the same exact shoe. And I'll show you mine right here. So here were my 2 shoes. And as you can see, I had a few spots that I traced and erased, but it's okay, because I'm gonna fold this one over so his feet face outwards, and any trace lines I had are gonna be on the back. And then I come down here to my very last square of his folded legs, and I'm gonna glue my shoes on. Now, friends, if you have at home some cotton balls and you want to put some cotton balls on his feet, cotton balls around his fluff of the bottom of his jacket, his arms, the top, and a cotton ball on his hat, you're always able to add that fluff and make it much nicer. But here is your completed Grinch that you can hang from a refrigerator or a wall or anywhere that mom gives you permission. Remember, if you're putting up decorations, to make sure you get mom's permission first. Have fun and send us pictures so we can see your great projects.